Gold and silver have been absolutely killing it this week, right? Silver went up 6% 2 days in a row, and then it's even up 2% today. Gold went up like 3% 2 days in a row, and it's even up about 0.5% today. Getting back all the gains or the losses that it gave back yesterday when it did the nice pump. And if you're wondering, where are we going to go from here? I assure you, you are in the right place. We were swinging and banging inside of Nordic Alpha, absolutely killing it on the trades that we gave out days, if not weeks in advance, some of them. We were set up very well to be very profitable this week. It was a great profitable week, and I want to wish everybody a happy Friday Pie Day. If anybody's been following the analysis that I was doing this week, you probably caught some trades too, even if you weren't inside of Nordic Alpha, but the people inside of Nordic Alpha were absolutely killing it. I'm going to tell you exactly where gold and silver is potentially going to be going, and the levels that we need to break and hold in order for us to continue going up, and then obviously the levels that if we break, we're probably going to be going down, exactly where we're going to be going. If you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader inside of gold, silver, the S&P, equities, futures, crypto, you name it, we do it inside of Nordic Alpha. And without further ado, I'm going to show you exactly where gold and silver could be going. I'm also going to give you some trade recaps of what we did inside of Nordic Alpha this week, because you absolutely killed it, and you can go in there and ask people how it went, and people are doing pretty well. We'll just put it like that, right? So, oops, I have a trade up that should not be up. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the actual factual, right? So, for gold, okay? This is what we're seeing right now. We caught a nice bounce here. We are trying to work our way back up to these 1 hour highs to get the 1 hour back into an uptrend. Obviously, this is all plotted for me. I get it. Naked VWAP, naked POC, order blocks, market structure, all that is plotted by my Alpha Intelligence indicators. You know, if you want to know what they are, ask about them in the comments section. Give me your thoughts as well, where you think gold is going to be going. But, you know, I'm going to give you my bias right here. Now, first and foremost, if we are to crack this high right here, the 1 hour high at 47.75, that's where we caught our nice little fade. But guess what we did? We just came right back down to a naked VWAP. We came right back down to the old range highs, tagged them perfectly, and then boom. And guess what? We actually took that trade. We took that trade, and we are actually already profitable. We're looking to bring it up here to about 48.76. I gave this trade out yesterday inside of Nordic Alpha. Obviously, it hit yesterday as well, so very actionable. It was very, very nice. If we can get through 47.75, and then all we really have to do is get up above $4,800, we have but one big resistance in between here and $5,000, and that is this naked daily VWAP, which is an institutional level. That is where institutional volume happened to the tune of 124,000 contracts. If you hit this level, this could be resistance where the institutions might actually be defending their short positions that they got through here. Now, if they got out down here, no problem. We run through it, and then guess where we're going? About $4,900 to $5,000 to these order block sets. 45-minute order block and a 1 hour order block. What are those? Again, those are institutional footprints showing you where massive volume came in right before a big move down. That's showing you the institutions are getting their positions set at those places. And that is also going to be resistance, because what it also does is it leaves behind some of their orders, because institutions can't get every single one of their orders filled like we can. We just hit the buy or sell button. It's very easy for us, but it's harder for them when they're trading billions of dollars. So long as we uphold this level right here, 46.55, which is where your monthly VWAP, your monthly live VWAP, and your weekly VWAP is, you're probably going to be okay. You also have support right here at about 4,556 to 46.35. And this is why in my video yesterday I was saying above about 46.50 to 45.50, we have massive support on gold. So long as we don't go under this, we're probably not going to be seeing any big moves down. I know that's contrary to popular belief, right? But let's talk about what we did inside of Nordic Alpha, and then we're going to get into the silver analysis here in just a second. So inside of Nordic Alpha, we got this trade first, okay? This thing was absolutely pinpoint sniper entry. We took a 15x risk to reward trade. We were never even in danger. Just boom, straight up move. Absolutely crushed it. And then guess what we did as soon as we hit full take profit on this? We entered this short that we gave out days, if not weeks in advance. And guess what that did? it hit full take profit right here and right at the naked daily VWAP. We just tagged right at VWAP, boom, and blasted up, okay? Then what did we do? Well, we caught our long yesterday, absolutely crushing it right now. We'll see what happens at these 1 hour highs at 47.75 and see if we can get above 4,800 to then make our way up to $5,000. Okay, now inside of silver, we actually took this trade inside of silver at the end of last week. Sorry, that's not it. It's this one right here. We took it on Friday, and then on Monday morning, obviously it hit for a full take profit. This was about an 8x risk to reward trade. Now, for silver, it's a little bit more cut and dry than gold is, okay? We have to get above this level right here, which is about $85. That's where you're gonna see resistance. Once we get up above $82.50 to $83, you're gonna see resistance at almost exactly $85, and then guess what's going to happen? There is not much in between $85 and $90. So what you're probably going to see, if you can gain the $85 level, you will see us kind of skyrocketing up potentially all the way up to about $90 to $95. Why? Because we have these institutional order blocks right here at 90 bucks. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think these are going to hold up. They have been mitigated to a pretty decent extent, and as you can see, 61%, 19%. What does that mean? That means that 61% of that order block has already been entered into, and all of these order blocks have been hit twice except for the 10-minute one, which isn't as big of a deal, right? Then you've got your naked daily VWAP above it, which is, again, that institutional level, 73,000 contracts. That's why I'm saying right around $90 to $91, you're going to see a little bit of resistance. But through here, once you get up to 85 bucks, you're kind of blasting up to about $90. And once you get through 91, you're getting up to about 95 bucks to this order block set right up here that has about 36,000 in volume. And you're going to crush it, right? This is going to be massive resistance, though, because this has not been touched yet or tested. And so long as we basically stay above this order block set right here at about $79, and I honestly think our floor is right around here from 77 to 76 bucks, where the VWAPs are and where this obvious massive order block set is for the 30-minute and the 45-minute order blocks. I don't think we're going to be able to go very much further down than that, but I honestly don't think we're going to go much further down than about $80, 79 bucks right now, so long as we uphold these 30-minute lows, as you can see right here, $79.80, okay? Now, this is pretty cool. What we did in Bitcoin was absolutely insane. We got this trade on Wednesday, absolutely crushed it, killed it perfectly, and all it was, we literally just had our order block suite, which is right here by Alpha Intelligence, up. We saw a 1 hour order block there. We said, hey, if we tag into that order block and we front run this naked daily VWAP, all we're going to do is we're going to short, and we're going to short it to here. And as you can see, you got full take profit immediately almost, right? Then guess what happened right at that bottom? We entered this trade, which was going to be a long at a massive set of order blocks, and you can actually see we're in this trade right now, and it's actually pretty profitable, but we tagged right into the order block set right there. So the Alpha Intelligence indicators are one of the main reasons why we are crushing it inside of Nordic Alpha, and I'm giving out the trades a lot of times based on my own methodology, but I'm using these things because they make my life so much easier. So hopefully that helps you and helps you understand where could gold and silver be going, and if you want to get my actionable trade and ideas and insights, get inside of Nordic Alpha. You know exactly how to do it. It's the first link in the description, and it is a card under this video. To all the moms and mothers out there, we appreciate you so much. We would not be here without you. Happy Mother's Day coming up this weekend, and happy Friday Pie Day to everybody. I will see you all soon. Everybody have a good day. Peace.